Hello friends, my name is Rohan Mujumdar. This is my first video and this video is about a live location tracking app where you can track user via this app to who are using this app. Here I am using Android emulator to test the app and also a real smartphone to test this app. So let's start. When the user opens the app, he or she needs to sign in with his email account. If he or she has a Gmail account, then he can choose this option, or if he or she has another any email account other than Gmail account, say Yahoo, Microsoft or Microsoft Outlook or any other, then he can choose this option. When he chooses this option, then he can enter the email and he can enter the app. So I am using this option because I have a Google account. I am using this option, and here also I am using this option. So activity has opened, page has opened, which is showing home activity, and this is a blank activity. For now it is blank, but after some time it will not remain blank. So here is a menu option, so I am clicking on this option, and here also I am clicking on this option. So whenever I click on this option, so three options will be shown: find people, find request, and sign out option. So here also they are showing. So what are these options? Let's click on this option, find people. So here some email accounts are showing over here. So what are these accounts? You can say that the users who have entered this app via their email account, so these accounts will be shown over here. And whenever a user wants to track another user, then the user needs to send a friend request to the another user. Say I want to send a friend request to this phone via this. This email is present in this emulator, and this email is present in this emulator. For now I am closing this app. You will understand after some time. Now I want to send a friend request to this phone, so I am clicking on this email account, and there will be an option, look, request friend. So click on the send option, and a toast will be shown that is a request sent. There will be an option that a friend request notification will be shown over here. So I am opening the app once again, and now I am clicking the friend request option over here. In the friend request option, two options will show, a tick mark and a cross mark. If you want to accept the friend request, then you can choose tick mark, or otherwise you can choose a cross. Then I am choosing this mark because I want to be this user's friend. So I have chosen this, and this home activity has been updated. So you can say that your friends will be shown over here. And now I want to see this user's location from here. I want to see this user because using this I can toggle the location. You will understand it also. So I want to see this user's location, so I am clicking on the user. Look, it is updating, and if I change the location to another place, then the location is also updating with it. And I want to set the location over here, so it is updating over here. It is updating continuously. And then if I zoom out a little bit, then you can see that all the locations are marked by some markers. You can set the location. I can toggle the location, so I can easily you can show you the location and show you the locations, and the app is running smoothly. And if I want to see this user's location, then open the app and click on the user. Then the location will appear, and this is my location. It is showing, and this is the location of this phone. So it is, let's check. It is working smoothly. So you can see that the app is working smoothly. And if you want to sign out, then you simply click on this option and you will be signed out. So that's it for today. In the next video I am going to add some more options, like the current user, his or her own location. If he wants to search a place, then he can search also search that place also, and directions. I'll add it in the upcoming and it will upcoming app, and it will be shown in the upcoming videos. So that's it for today. Take care of yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe this video. Hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Goodbye for now.